Hello guys, in this video let us do a quick overview of the Yefound T1 projector. Now this is a full HD 1080p projector. You can see this is the Yefound T1 projector. With this we get a remote, HDMI cable and a power cord. On the side you have few ports and you can see we have HDMI port, USB port, the greater than 3.5mm headphone jack for speakers, and then we have the power port to just plug in and power this projector. To the sides you can see we have the air vents. Now this air vents help in cooling down the projector, and when you turn on the projector it makes some sound. So the fans run inside this so that they keep the projector cool as it throws a high density light to the wall. So to the front we have the phone logo and the projector lens. So the projector lens is a autofocus lens, so you can use the remote to focus on the screen. Taking a look at the remote, you can see it's pretty minimalistic, nothing much special here. We have a power on button, the settings button, F minus and F plus. So this is the focus button, and then the volume buttons. So guys, now I've turned on the projector and you can see it's throwing the light, and you can see it's making some sound here because it's running the fan at full speed so that this projector remains cool down when you are watching the movies or videos for longer time, and it doesn't cause any performance issues. So guys, as you can see, now I have turned on the light and you can see how bright this projector is. Even with the light turned on, we are able to pretty much see everything on the wall. So by pressing the F button, it will just start to focus, and you can see the focus is going now. So let me just press minus. So here by this method you can just focus the screen according to your own preference. So I have kept it around 5 meters away, so you can just, I'm just pressing this to see the perfect uh, focus here. So you can see I almost found a perfect focus. I'm good to go. So you can see here we have some options like HD input, HD player, wireless casting, help, settings, projector settings, speaker, and here we have the pen drive options. You can just plug in your pen drive and load the movies here. So we can just put the pen drive on the projector. You can also connect a LAN device. You can click here and add a LAN device. You can put in the server IP address and etc. If you have a NAS at home in which you can stream movies, etc. So here we have Bluetooth option to connect Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth devices, and then here we have the Wi-Fi option. So now let me just connect my Wi-Fi network. So here you can see my Wi-Fi network is coming here now. So guys, as you can see, I have connected this projector now to my Wi-Fi network, and now we can just stream our favorite content. You can just cast this, or you can directly go to the HD player. You can also use this as a standalone speaker. So let me show you some settings here. So this is the HD input. So once you enter your HDMI behind the projector, you can see the signal here. So we don't have anything entered now, so we don't have anything. Similar goes to HD player. When you enter your pen drive, or you can put your NAS LAN server address and you can play the content. Next is wireless casting. It's pretty much straightforward. If you have iOS device, just cast the same, and then if you have Android device, just go to Miracast. The Miracast will get open now, and you can just cast from your mobile. I'll show you in demo in a bit. And then next up, if we come, we have the help section. So in help section, you can see we have all the help documents given. You can just see how everything works. So out of the box, you can just go to this section and just read everything and how it works. So it will be easier for you. Next up, we have the settings. The settings show what are the settings of the projector. So we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth that already seen. We have projector settings here. So in projector settings, you can see it's project mode, normal, flip. So now this will flip the projection mode. We have normal. We can also do mirror, flip and mirror. So this is flip and mirror now. So you can just adjust it according to your own personal preferences. We have foresight keystone. So what this basically does is, so keystone, you can see I am just arranging the display on a keystone. So for example, you're laying down your bed or you are watching this from a different angle, you can just adjust the keystone and this works absolutely fine. You can see you can adjust the keystone according to own preferences. So I'll just adjust it for my own purpose now so that it works perfectly fine. So I've done it for my preferences now. I go back, your four corner keystones again, you can just press on the corners and adjust the size. You can then zoom it if you want. You can zoom, horizontal zoom, vertical zoom, etc. So zooming function, and then we have the basic information of the projector. So we just came across settings by projector settings, and then we have projector settings standalone. Here you can just go and see settings, and this is the speaker mode. So in this speaker mode, within 20 seconds you can see the projector light will go off, and this will only work as a standalone speaker, so which is quite nice. I'll show you the demo in a bit. So you can see the screen will go off now, and I can connect this to my Bluetooth on my phone and I can play music. So this works absolutely fine. So you can see the sound of the projector has now gone. There is no fan running, and the light has also gone. The projector, the light is off now, so I can just connect it to my phone Bluetooth. So as here, as you can see in the Bluetooth devices, I have something called as projector. Now this is the device, Bluetooth device of this projector. Now as you can see, the projector is connected to my Bluetooth device. Now I can play the song via this. Let me show you a demo of it. So now I've connected the projector, and now this is playing the song from projector only. Now guys, as you can see, the sound is coming from projector speaker. The projector speaker is quite loud and can be used as standalone Bluetooth speaker also. So that is the feature that I like quite much. That apart from projector, you can use this as a standalone speaker, Bluetooth speaker too. Now increasing the sound. Now as you saw, the sound is really nice. It's very punchy and it's full of bass. So you will definitely enjoy listening to music on this projector, and also action movies on this projector will be amazing to see. So guys, as we saw the sound of the projector, which was quite nice, now let me show you the screen also. So we can just do the wireless casting here. Now I'll go to wireless casting, go to Android, and I'll cast my smartphone now. So what I'll do is I'll go to cast, screencast on my smartphone. So you can see here I have the Android underscore 39B. This is the screencast display name. Now I'm casting this display. Now this will come up on the projector screen. You can see it is connected, and now my website has loaded on the projector screen. So guys, I've casted this. You can see I'm showing up my camera here, and you can see it has been casted here. So I'm just casting my phone here, so you can see it casts very well and works very much fine. There is no lag at all. Everything works exactly perfectly fine. Now here I've loaded up my website, so you can see, and even with the tube light on, you can see the display is quite sharp, and if you turn off the light, we will be even better, and you can see even better. So I need to zoom in the response. So guys, this was an overview of the Yefound T1 projector. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel, that's the trendyblog.net. Check out our website for more such cool reviews. If you are interested in purchasing this device, I'll leave a link in the description from where you can go and buy it. So you can go and buy it from amazon.com. Link to the same will in the description. So thanks a lot for watching guys. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.